Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make custard banana, only ways. Start by gathering ripe bananas, whole milk, eggs, sugar, vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Mash bananas gently, then whisk eggs and sugar until combined. Temper the egg mixture with warm milk slowly to prevent curdling, fold in banana and vanilla, strain for silkiness, pour into ramekins, and set ramekins in a water bath before baking. Warm and friendly here. Once ingredients are ready, mash bananas until slightly chunky, not puree. Whisk eggs and sugar until homogeneous, then slowly stream in warm milk to temper. Add vanilla and a pinch of salt, then fold in the mashed bananas gently. Pour the mix through a fine sieve into a bowl to ensure a silky custard. Divide into ramekins and prepare a water bath for even baking and texture. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They store custard safely and stack neatly in the fridge. I spotted them while prepping shots and thought they are perfect for leftovers or gifting custard to friends. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Bake the ramekins in a preheated 325 degrees F oven set in a water bath, so heat distributes gently. Bake until centers are mostly set yet slightly jiggly, which gives a creamy finish after chilling. Remove ramekins and cool on a rack briefly, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours to firm and develop flavor. Finish with toasted banana slices or a sprinkle of cinnamon right before serving for contrast and aroma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.